Here is my Black Friday haul from Zara. I got 3 items from Zara. You can see I got this same skirt because this was on sale for the Black Friday sale, and I got this sweater. Look at the buttons, guys. This is a cardigan. I love the buttons. It's not black, not brown, in between. Yeah, I love these buttons though. It reminds me of sandal buttons. I don't think this is available anymore, but if you want to know the item number or if you want to get this cardigan, then just let me know. I'm going to send you the link. And it has pockets as well in the front. Two pockets in the front. And by the way, the website suggested me to get the large size. I normally wear size medium, but the website suggested me to get the large, so I got in the large size, made in Turkey. I don't see the American price, but they have included one extra button. And then I got this sweater. Look how pretty the color is. Yellow and green. I love the pop-up color. I just love yellow, guys, and I love this color as well. This is the color. It's army green. This is a cropped sweater, but for me, I think this is going to be right length because I'm not that tall. Short sleeve, not half sleeve, short sleeve. And I got in the size medium. Here is the price, but I got on sale, so I'm going to write the price, the sale price, on the bottom of the screen. The last one is the same sweater that I got last week, but I got this one because, like I said, this was on sale. The last one I got for $99, but I think it was 40% off, so I'm going to return the old one and I'll keep this one. I have one more package coming in the mail from Lululemon. I'm going to show that to you guys when it arrives, so you have to stay tuned for that. Hey guys, so I'm going to show you my Black Friday shopping haul from Lululemon. So this is my first shipment from Lululemon. I got 3 sports bra on this shipment. So this is the first one. The original price was $48, I think. Yeah, $48. And I got this one for $29. And this is the second one. I got this one for $39, I think. And this is the third one. I got this one for $39 as well. This is the original price. And let me show you the back side of the bra. So here's the front. And here is the back style. Here is the front side. Here is the back. And here is the front side. Here is the back of the bra. They're still on sale, so if you want to get them, here is the information about the bra. For the reference, I wear size 36A bra from Victoria's Secret, and I got this. Fits perfectly fine, which is A to C cup. So here is the name, and here is the size. I went with the light support. I don't need heavy support, so yeah, just for walking and yoga and all those stuff. This is the name of the green one, and here is the green color one. Yeah, so for now, these are my items came from Lululemon, and I'm going to show you guys the other shipment when it will arrive. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Hey guys, so finally I received all my packages from Lululemon. They sent me in 4 different packages. So this is the last one, And this I got in 2 different packages, but I washed them already. These are 2 leggings. Since I washed them already, they don't have the tags, but I remember the price. I paid $49 each. The regular price for these leggings, I think $99, but I got them for $49 each. So this is the first one, which is a black, gray, different color of gray and kind of lace, you can see, print leggings. I got in the size 8 and length 25, I think. The next one is this one. I think they ship from different warehouses, that's why they ship them in separate shipments. Yeah, so those are 2. And this one I got today. Okay, so this is how it looks. It has a zipper on the left side. There is some kind of pocket on the sleeve as well. I think you can cover your fingers. These are so comfortable. They are expensive, but when you get on sale, they are kind of little bit affordable.